Hey friends, ZenKahuna. And guess what? It's another beautiful day in the USA. And it's time for Primal Nature Play. So what I'm going to show you today are just a few seconds of the multiple different moves that we're going to be doing today. Just to give you a tongue-tip taste of a sample nature play that we might do in an average day. Let's do it. We'll start off with some body weight moves to get things warmed up and lubricated for more intensive play to come. So we'll go from a plank to a forearm plank. Good whole body engagement. Always good to put in some pulling motions in your warm-up. Always good to get some digital dexterity into your movement play. Nice little cannonball here. It's about a 12-pounder. Let's do a little pop-pop. So you pop-pop through the legs. Short power rope is always a great one to throw in, especially when you're just doing this low one around the waist. You got a hand-to-hand. Really whip it around. Use your whole body. Lots of times people tend to forget some of the basic moves of kettlebells and clubs. And one of the most important ones, just to get your whole body engaged really quickly, is the swing. So let's get in the swing. This is a custom made one I had, 55 pounds. Nice one, all steel. The bull bag spin is a great all-body movement. Really gets the core activation around your middle. Let's go for it. Just hanging out. Make sure that if you make a transfer between ropes, then you do it safely. And then it's fun. Falling from the top, no bueno. Now to get used to doing that transfer, you can do it lower where it feels safer. So get one arm, the second arm, hold yourself, swing your legs free, hook up again, and come on down. So practice low shifts between the rope before you practice the high shift. When you do the crucifix on your parallel bar, make sure that you keep your abdominal engagement through the whole process. Don't throw it all into your low back. So there you have a little taste of some of the kind of maneuvers that we like to incorporate on a fairly regular basis in our primal nature play. Remember, when you're done, take it easy. Rest it up. Do some muscle floss. Do some trigger point rolling. Get on your foam rollers. Play around with the ball. Loosen everything up. Take it down. Be easy. So there you have a little taste of some of the kind of maneuvers that we like to incorporate on a fairly regular basis in our primal nature play. Remember, when you're done, take it easy. Rest it up. Do some muscle floss. Do some trigger point rolling. Get on your foam rollers. Play around with the ball. Loosen everything up. Take it down. Be easy. If you want to see some additional types of moves that we did today, you can also go to Coach Tara on YouTube. That's one word, COACHTARA, and that'll get you to her channel. And you can also go to Buffalo Thief. We did some of the same moves and some alternative moves because we each have our faves. Enjoy them all.